Sampurasun dulu Randa, Shalom, salam kebajikan, Om Swastiastu, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ronnie Kennedy Sitorus. I'm marketing communication student from International 2. Now I'm the presentation about the brand activation concept from New Cirenda. Okay, let's start from the background. The first one, Cirenda is a traditional village that located in Lewi Gajah Village, South Cimahi district. And the second, from the background, is Cirenda is also known for its people who don't eat the rice. They replace the rice to the rasi. It is from the cassava. Therefore, Cirenda is known as food independent area. Let's jump to the SWOT analysis. From the S, strength, we got the good food sustainability system, camping ground at the peak of the mountain, that's economic creative in food sector and batik, on cultural ceremonies, on herbal tree, and the location is reachable. And the weakness is cultural that began to be ended by wave of modernization, camping ground at the peak of the mountain, lack tourism of attraction. For the O opportunity, many parties and careers and want to get involved in digging up more Cirenda. And then it has been integrated by the government, and then many people are interested in culinary. For the T trade, there are several traditional villages which have the same similarity as the Cirenda. And the second is people tend to like to travel to the place that have a good spot for taking picture and or have a unique icon. Okay, the next is competitor. One of Cirenda's competitor is Cikondang. Why Cikondang is because the located near Cirenda in Cimahi too has the same cultural because same tradition is Sundanese. Okay, the old positioning is the motto is tenyawa asal boga pare, teboga pare asal boga beas, teboga beas asal bisa nyanggu, tenyanggu asal dahar, tedahar asal kuat. It means it's okay if we don't have rice field as long as we have a rice. It's okay if we don't have rice as long as we eat. It's okay if we don't eat as long as we are strong. Okay, the new positioning from Cirenda is Nu Cirenda. Also our track, it means Nu is nempakan unikna. I will translate to English. Let me introduce you to the uniqueness of Cirenda. And then Cirenda is from the Cirenda itself, and then Nu is new for the new position of Cirenda or new, aiming to make the Cirenda well known. We will introduce a lot of uniqueness from the traditional village of Cirenda by making food sustainability and creative economy as they highlight. And then brand activation flowchart. The first one launched the promote the VR game on our Instagram and YouTube, and then the second VR is played by the audience, and the third is the audience get experience from the VR and attract them to search more information about the Cirenda. And the fourth is start promotion the 3 days challenge in New Cirenda official account. And then 5 is audience know about how to join the 3 days challenge. And then the 6 join the 3 challenge. And the 7 is they learn how to make rasi expressing the nyaba and also sekolah Sunda. And the 8 for the last is audience get experience and share their experience on Instagram by tagging hashtag the Cirenda 3 days challenge and hashtag nempakan unikna Cirenda. Next is the target audience from the geographic, urban and suburban area, Bandung and West Java. For demographic is male and female 15 years old and above, the students, college student and researcher. For the psychographic, those who like to the traveling, those who like the expression and learn new things, those who concerned about environmental problem and food sustainability. For the behavioral, those who seeks entertaining and developing activities, and then those are who need to change their eating habit. In this case, changing the rice from to rasi daily basis. Okay, we jump to the unique selling point. The unique selling point from Chiranda is the food sustainability. Some Chiranda residents since 1918 have never consumed rice as their staple food. They eat rasi, and you can call beras singkong, as they hold on to a value in life that asserts them to be independent. They also eat only what they plain in order to not be affected by the inflation. Okay, this is the logo from New Chiranda. We start from the color. The color is one is turquoise, represent the throat chakra, and then blue represent the third eye chakra, and the third is purple, the crown chakra color. For the pink in the logo is cassava leaf represent the food sustainability, and then person meditating the pose shows the custom or their cultural habit of theirs, and then the outline is represent that all of them united in Chiranda. Okay, New Chiranda 2 have the mascot is called Kang Aschir. Kang Aschir is mean asli Chiranda or originally Chiranda. This mascot symbolizes the unity of human and the nature. It represents Chiranda people that loyalty, belief, and willingness to take care their surroundings. Also represent cassava in the hair, the green hair, and Nyaba don't using the sandals or the shoes, which Chiranda local tradition. Okay, for the next is IMC strategy, the brand touch point, the online and offline. For the online, we have Instagram at New Chiranda, and then Instagram story, VR games, and 3-day challenge. And we are more upload from the IGTV and then YouTube New Chiranda. And then for the offline, we campaign, and then we have the booth. For the communication objectives, we have the virtual game is made to build the awareness through the entering the knowledge. They call the 3-day challenge was created to stimulate the audience action to form consumer experience. And then the message is what to say. Chiranda village their own uniqueness that can be differentiate them to the other village, especially in their food sustainability system. Chiranda village relieves the cassava as the main food, not the rice. How to say? Using the singkong nu urang benten hayu kadieu. For the multisensory effect from the taste, the audience can experience taste by joining the 3-day challenge, testing the Chiranda's traditional foods which using cassava as main ingredient such as rasi, awuk, egg roll rendang, and aci cracker. For the sound, New Chiranda jingle as well as Chiranda's traditional music. It will be played in New Chiranda's virtual reality as anthem, song, and game background. And the third is touch. Audience can be experienced touch by participating in making rasi when participating in the 3-day challenge. And the side is audience can see lowong views process of the making constellation from the VR and live by joining the 3-day challenge. For the smell is the audience can smell the foods that they cook after participating in making constellation, which are made out of cassava. To gain experience, they have to join the 3-day challenge.